Hello, I'm gonna do a DJI Phantom 2 Vision high wind test. See, it's pretty windy outside. Palm trees are blowing pretty hard. It's flying earlier, it's flying really good. The video wasn't too stable because of so much wind, but it was staying up there good. The only issue I saw was when you make turns, it blows the way the strong wind is blowing, so that's something to be careful with. But otherwise it holds its position really good. See, I'll turn right now. Actually, let me get away from the palm tree. Turn right now and it kind of blows with the wind and then stabilizes. This is so easy to fly, flying it one-handed.